Hi guys, I'm here in Kissimmee, Florida at Vacation Village Resort at Parkway. I just wanted to give a quick one bedroom room tour in Building 21. I know that when my family and I were coming here, we really wanted to see the setup of the room because we have grandparents that are coming with us to join us. And we really wanted to know if it was going to be enough room for my husband and I, our two girls, and then possibly my parents. So what I'm going to do is give you exactly what you want. Building 21 is the newest building. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the one bedroom unit. So when you put your key in the door, you have a little kind of foyer. And so it's really nice. And I don't know who's in unit A, but like this is unit C. So you go through one door, you come in into your room door, and you have a half kitchen. I forgot to mention we have the half kitchen unit. So really nice countertops, a stainless steel dishwasher, a nice sink. It comes with a paper towel, coffee maker, toaster oven, a hot plate, a blender, and a full fridge with a freezer and a microwave. Down here, they also have provided, that's my bag, they've also provided a hot plate as well. So that's a really great addition. And this is our living room. So I wanted to get this video done before we kind of, messed up the room. But right now we have the bed down. And here later, I'm going to show you a picture of the pull-out sofa when it's put back together. So as you can see, it's a really large bed. It's got a TV here, a TV stand, and it's got storage. You can put all your kids' items if you're planning on having your kids stay in the pull-out. There is a 4-table dining room area and 2 extra chairs at the breakfast bar. So as you can see, it's a really spacious area. And for those of you moms who really like to get your laundry done before you leave, a washer and dryer. You really can't beat that. So another great thing I like about Vacation Village is all of the window space. So here I'm going to take you out to the patio. This is I think you call it enclosed patio because this is all a vent here. That's a vent. But there's also 4 tables out here. And so we're in the back of Building 21. So we have a really nice view. And we can also kind of see like some parks. I don't know. Yeah, you can see the Ferris wheel and a park. But it's really, really nice. A really nice view. And this is just a really great area to sit. There's also a lot of extra space on the other side of the pull-out bed. So from there to the larger window area. And I like that too because the view is going to be just as nice pretty much wherever you are. So that's a really great window, and it's got a lot of natural light coming in. So next I want to show you the bedroom because we have the one bedroom unit, and my husband and I have already slept tonight. So it's kind of messed up and the kids are in there, but it comes with a mirror, obviously 2 little dressers and 1 larger one and a TV. Also, another thing that's nice is you have a window that you can see the patio throughout. So it seems like it was really well thought out as it relates to window space. And then when you come in here, you have your own little vanity.
In the bathtub.
And this door shuts to close off the bathroom. And then also a really nice closet here. So one thing that I want to show you is obviously the bedroom door has a privacy area. But then also in here, that's my husband. In here, you have another entryway into the bathroom. And so that door can shut. So if you do have guests coming in, and you really want to have that privacy for the bedroom, it's definitely a great place to stay because you have, the entryway from the bedroom as well as from the living room area. So it all closes off. And I will show you next the bathroom. Then we have the bathroom. I really love this bathroom. It is very spacious. There is a walk-in shower, a very large walk-in shower, I must say. And there's also a bathtub. So you have the best of both worlds in here. And like I told you earlier, this is a door that will close off from the bedroom. And then you can also close it there. So your guests who may be staying with you or your kids, they can access it from the...
Oh, we got it by the way.
Yes, you can access it from the kitchen. And then you can also unlock that door and access the bathroom from the bedroom, so that guests don't have to go through your bedroom at night if they need to use the restroom or if they want to take a late night shower. So there you have it, guys. That is a full tour of the Vacation Village at Parkway Resort in Kissimmee, Florida.
Daddy.
I'm going to enjoy this view
Daddy.
and have a good day.